Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Dow Jones Industrial Average, and what we are looking at is the hourly chart. And if you are looking at this chart, what you can see here, that probably Dow Jones is near to the highs of last January or February 2020, from where the actual fall has started. So as you can see, it has reached towards the higher end of the range. So the entire correction has been wiped out, and obviously a very smart or very forceful recovery has happened in the past couple of months. And as you can see, this was the resistance which Dow Jones has made at 29,664, and currently the stock is very near to its highs. Now the thing is, what could we probably expect from now on? Okay, though that's the thing we are going to discuss over here. So let's just zoom this chart a bit so you will get to know, because as you can see there are lots of gaps. Okay, so even the index has moved with lots of gaps, so that's not a natural instance which you can see in a normal market. But because we have so much liquidity in the system, that probably this is the thing which is happening right now. And if you want to differentiate the trend, okay, let me just deal with that in a very simple way. If you just made a line like this, okay, as you can see, if you just made okay, if you just dissect this trend like this, what you will see here is a trend before or over the line, or a trend below the line. Okay, that's the way you're going to look at it. And there are other levels as well. Okay, here let me just, okay, or what you there is another way to do it, using some channels or trend line to have a better accuracy of the trend. So here we have, okay, so as you can see here, so the trend is something like this. And if you go down like this, you will have a trend line or a support from where the trend has moved on the upside. Also, there is another support which the stock has taken right here. Okay, so I am using line chart because you will find lots of highs and lows and shadows in the candlestick chart. So we will get back to line chart once, candlestick chart, once I draw the trend. So as you can see here, you will have a, so as you can see, the trend is pretty much clear right now. Okay, let me just, okay, so this is very important, 29,664, because this is the resistance level. But as you can see, the way the stock is, index is moving, so you will have your support here. Okay, near to 29,145. So this is your support level, and the next support will probably come here. 28,926. So these are the levels which one need to look at. Okay, 29,145 and 28,926, right? And if it falls below this level, then obviously for the time being one need to close their trend, because we don't know how far or how low it can go, whether it is 28,100 or 27,400, or it will go to as low as 26,961. So your support level will be in between, or your stop loss will be in between 28,926 and 29,145. Now the index is actually near to its resistance level, which is 29,664. So this is the first level which one should look at. And if the so this is conditional, that if the index moves above 29,664 or 670, okay, and if it sustains above that, then you have your next target at 30,760, followed by 31,426, which will be your next resistance zone. And if the index successfully moved and sustained above this level as well, then we will have our next big target will be as long as 33,500. So these are the levels which one need to know about Dow Jones indices for the time being. Although 33,000 is a big task, so I would rather I will better think about 30,700 and 31,400 on the upside, and that is completely conditional, as I've already told you, that if 29,660 or 670 has crossed, and if the index sustain above that, then only we are going to look at 30,000 and 31,000 on the upside, followed by a stop loss which will be in between 28,926 and 29,145. And because there is the fall can be sharp and will go to as low as 26,900 or 27,000, that's why it would be better if you just close your position below 28,926. Otherwise, just change your decision as per the trend. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.